Hey guys, Justin Cole, the car guy here. My shop, Accelerate Auto Repair and Collision, and we are here with this 52 Chevy pickup that we are doing some random things to. We're actually doing a high pressure line for the power steering, an AC line. As you can see, it's got the Holley Sniper EFI setup on top of that classic Chevy 350 V8. We're gonna do a slight retune to it to get it running a little bit better. But yeah, it's hard to beat these things. These trucks are right now pretty hot. The values are strong, and obviously it's custom. We saw the engine bay. We've got custom wheels and tires. It's got a custom bed cover out in the back. It's lowered, and interior is pretty snazzy too. So yeah, let us know if we can help you with your custom car or truck. Again, Accelerate Auto Repair and Collision. Thank you.